hello, good morning. I hope you enjoy what you see. I just wanted to make sure I don't speak, I just let the good vibes coming in. The sounds of the waves are so amazing, just relaxing. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit that, oh my god, the glassy one. Anyway, hit that subscribe button to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, and give a like to my videos. That way we can engage more community on my YouTube channel. So, as you see, today, this is the scenery for today. It's a bit cloudy, but it's not raining, it's good. And there's a lot of surf going on here, a lot of people surfing behind me. And I'm going to jump into the water. It's not cold, you see surfers over there. And someone already there as well. Some other people over there. So, I am going to jump in the water. It's not that cold. And I can't wait. Look at that. There is a boat. You see? There is a boat in nice. Very nice. So, let me know what you think. I hope you like my videos. I do video every day from here, and every day I post some videos from here. It's just a little bit delayed because I had different videos before to post. So I'm going to jump into the water. Look at that. That's very nice. Very nice. Well done. Very nice. Okay. So I don't know how much is the temperature is about. Sorry. The temperature is about I would say probably 20 degrees, something like that. And yeah, I just came from my hotel, which is just, my hotel is there on the top. So I just wanted to enjoy, to relax, you know. There's not many people here. It's just lovely. This is the paradise. This is what I call, for me, it doesn't matter if it's sun or if it's rain. Of course I prefer to be sun. If it's like cloudy like that, or even rainy, I don't care, as long as I am to the ocean, because the vibes from the ocean is so beautiful. Give you a lot of energy for the day, give you a good feeling. The salt from the ocean is very good for your body, the minerals, you know, everything. And the water is so clean. So, jump in. You want me to see jump in? If you want me to see jump in, I'm gonna take my shirt off and jump in, yeah? Stay with me. Please hit the subscribe button to the YouTube channel. I am just getting ready to go into the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, into the water. I am kind of ready. I just take everything off, just my underwear, water ones, and here we go, jump into the beautiful paradise water, yeah? Just give me a second. Okay, drink a little water. And let's go, baby. So I extend my stay here. I stay already for 7 days. This is my 8th day, and I'm staying until 3 more days. So today is Sunday, I come the other Sunday. I'm going home on Wednesday. So let's go into the water, guys. Let's do the water. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, steady, go. 1 second, I just need to leave my hair, this one from the hair, just need to leave it here and going right into the water, right into the water, or right into the water, or the water, how you like it. Okay, let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! This is coming big waves now. Look, look, look. Wow. I want to jump. I want to jump, but I have some papers here on the phone. I don't want to get them wet. It's a bit complicated because it's so is wind also. The water is a bit wild, and I'm going to jump. Okay, 1, 2. Woo, nice. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to jump with a little bit because I want to stay the phone to be up, because I didn't have the stick with me. You know, I didn't have the selfie stick. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, look, look, look. Woohoo! So nice. Yeah, the ocean is a bit, as you can see, is a bit, it's a bit wild. It's a bit wild. Excuse me. Can you hold the phone for 2 seconds? Chase. I want to get in, but I cannot film because I will be get wet, yeah? Yeah, just film it like that, yeah? Oops. Just hold it, please. Yeah. It's recorded, just hold it. Okay. Thank you. I want to jump, I want to jump.
Oh, it's getting a bit splashed.
Thank you. Please, yeah, it's very wild.
It's okay.
Cheers, man. Fucking hell. That was a good one. Wow. Woohoo! I did it. I did it, guys. I lost one of the bracelets in the water, but it doesn't matter. I still have more. Wow. It's so nice. So, this is it for now. I'm going to swim over there and enjoy. I hope you like it. And please hit that subscribe button, which is free, to my YouTube channel. Share my videos with your friends and give a like to the videos. Until next time, do sports, be active, and always be yourself. Ciao.